soft glass. Even though the miles stretch wide, distance fades in Guadalajara.
Hello, what's up guys, welcome back again to our channel. This is your bro, your friend Tenta channel, and we are here in Fort Portal. This is Fort Portal City. We are going to see a place called Everybody's Kitchen. Yeah, this is a good place to chill from. You can come with your girlfriend, you can come with your friends, you can come with your family, and you chill here. This is a Fort Portal. It's a tourist city, and we are going to have something small together here in this city. We're going to try something together. Thanks so much for watching. And today I'm going to shout out to those ones who always give me support, comments, your good comments, being there for me, telling me what to do next, where to go. I see and always see your comments, bros, sisters, friends. I love you so much. Thanks so much for the love.
You're the one I dream about. Count the days, Nalia Masibu.
Yeah, and today we have our bro Rastaman here. He's having tea with a good Rolex. Yeah, having our guys here. Yo, what up? What up?
I don't like it.
What up?
Sorry.
Yo, what up? What
Everything
up?
good?
Yeah, man, everything nice. Yeah, man. This is the
Tuine mondo bro ba ex ni basara na makas na mukuja mu chikos so kida na face na mwenda na sex wewe kaguza boss over star face nyondi gorilla force bro.
Count the days, Nalia Masibu. Until we're standing face to face, but even now, mimi na wewe mpaka sasa. I feel you here where we are. Though you're far away, you're the one I dream about.
Yeah, and we have here some beautiful girls. They came here to chill because it's just a place to chill from.
Feel you here where we are. Though you're far away, nakuhisi karibu yangu. Though I'm not okay.
And this is our girl. She's not going to make us food today. It's going to be crazy and funny, you know. You know, she's here cleaning our plates, the one we are going to use today. What I love about this place, you can find everything you want. They have any type of meal, cool, cute, and sweet. Yeah, in this place they do everything for you directly here, as long as you just give an order. Like now you can see here they're making an ice cream. Now I just meet the owner of the place, the manager. He's there busy working. Yo. And he's making for us a birthday cake.
Even though the miles stretch wide, distance fades in Guadalajara. Even though the miles stretch wide, distance fades in Guadalajara. Just the time zones that separate, but in my heart, though you are there. Through the screen, I see your face. It's not enough, it's in fire. Every word you send my way feels like a touch far away. But look to one day you're here with me. Though you're far away,
next process.
Time zones that separate, but in my heart, though you are gay. Through the screen, I see your face. It's not enough, it's in fire.
There is vanilla grape, a blend of lemon and cinnamon.
I want to put it back in the oven because this is meringue, it's not buttercream. So I want to put it away.
Before even the one has left on it. Just say this thing.
It's amazing.
The first one is that.
And our order of today is really ready. As you see, we are soon eating this. Wow.
And the sides to make it. You want carrot?
This is plain chips with an omelette. You can do a cocktail or plus a small salad aside. So then
It's just amazing. This is something you all have to try also.
I feel like what?
Before that man. The camera.